Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Discover credit card spending notifications, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your Discover credit card spending notifications, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Discover website by typing in the URL. Once on the home page, locate and click on the Login button in the top right corner. Enter your user ID and password in the appropriate fields. Click on the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, find and select the Account Services option from the menu. Look for the Account Alerts section. Click on Set up Alerts or Manage Alerts to proceed. You will see various options for spending notifications. Choose your preferred notification type. Options may include notifications for large purchases, international transactions, or due dates. Select the method of notification, such as email, text message, or mobile app alerts. For text notifications, ensure that your mobile number is correctly entered. Review your selected preferences for accuracy. Once you are satisfied with your choices, click the Save button. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your settings were successfully updated. If needed, log out of your account once all changes are made. This completes the process of updating your Discover credit card spending notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.